Hello everyone and welcome. Today we have this very exciting small car which is the Mini Cooper S, the JCW variant. So this is coming for a little bit of painting work, plus it's also going to get the ceramic coating. So in the first step we are going to repair all this damage which is there on the front bumper. A lot of scratches over here. Plus we are going to respray this part, this chrome piece of the grille into satin black, and this center piece we are going to make it red.
Okay.
Plus we are going to be painting all the 4 calipers red. So this is going to get one round of detailing plus the ceramic coating after this.
2,000 years later.
Welcome again everyone. We finished our painting work on the Mini Cooper to make it even more sportier. This front grille surround has been converted to satin black. This stripe over here in sporty red, plus all this front damage has been rectified and we've repainted this part of the bumper. Plus now the wheel calipers are in sporty red. Along with the painting, it's now got the ceramic coating to keep it looking good and protected.
Oh my.
So if you need any such activity on your car to make it even more sportier, please do let us know.